2008. I bought it in 2010. Out of spite, believe it or not.
Really?
Yeah, I did a month in jail for street racing, and then they even sentenced me to a year in house arrest. I was so mad at the world, I took a cab to the Lambo dealership when I was in house arrest. Bought the beautiful pearl white Spyder on the showroom floor. And then for the rest of the year, while I'm sitting there under house arrest with no license, I just started modifying the car. And the first time I ever drove the car was on the Gold Rush Rally, which was on the West Coast. So, you know, talk about picture perfect. When the cars got here, we started really, you know, on low power levels to try to get warm up to the cars because we'd never experienced such high power before. So first two runs were very moderate power, so I was running 170s, 180s, and I was just getting used to the car. Just very aggressive. It's E-gear, so I don't have the control with the clutch. All I have is the gas pedal to play with, and it bogs a lot at first, so I'm trying to deal with that. The first to second is whiplash, to say the least. And then after that, every gear change, the car dances a little bit on you. But since it's all-wheel drive, it's good just to stay in it and straighten her out, you know.